In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the meeting time zone to a US time zone in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if you regularly meet with colleagues, clients, or classmates in the United States and want to make sure your meeting times are accurate for them. I'll walk you through the exact steps using the Teams calendar, and I'll add a few tips along the way so you understand what's happening and why. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with icons like Activity, Chat, and Teams. Look for the calendar icon on that left sidebar and click on it. This calendar view is where you create and manage all your meetings, and it's also where you'll be able to adjust the time zone for a specific meeting. Once your calendar opens, look towards the top right or top center of the page. You should see a button labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click New Meeting. This will open the meeting creation window where you can set your meeting title, add participants, choose a date and time, and add any details or an agenda. Before you start filling everything out, let's change the time zone. In the meeting creation window, look above the start and end time fields. You should see an option or a link that mentions time zone. Click on this time zone option. When you click it, a drop-down list will appear with different time zones from around the world. Scroll through the list until you find the US time zone you need. Common examples include Pacific Time, Mountain Time, Central Time, or Eastern Time. Select the one that matches the primary location of your attendees in the United States. As soon as you choose a US time zone, the start and end times of the meeting will now be interpreted in that time zone, which helps avoid confusion about when the meeting actually happens. Now that your time zone is set correctly,